students, as we have completed lesson major domains of the earth, and as well as we have also discussed it on our online session. Now we are again we are going to discuss it. See, there are some important questions now today we are going to see. See, first question, what are the four major domains of the earth? As we have seen, there are four major domains. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. These are the four major domains of the earth. See, lithosphere, solid portion of the earth. Hydrosphere, it contains all water bodies. Atmosphere, the gaseous layer of the earth. And the biosphere, it is a narrow contact zone of land, water and air. These are the four major domains of the earth. Then second question, name the major continents of the earth. We have seen there are 7 major continents on the earth. They are separated by the large water bodies. They are these continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and the last one Antarctica. These are the 7 major continents and they cover about 29% of the earth surface. Then next question, name the two continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. southern hemisphere मध्ये असलेले दोन कॉन्टिनेंट कोणते आहेत तर see, the two continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere are Australia and the Antarctica. See, the downside there is Australia and Antarctica. They are in the southern hemisphere. Then name the different layers of the atmosphere. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. Then next question, why is the earth called the blue planet? Earthला blue planet का म्हणतात? The earth is called the blue planet because of the following reasons. It appears blue color due to the reflection of light from the water on its surface. It means that reflection of the water looks blue. So then it is so called also because 3/4 or more than 71% of its surface is covered with the water. 71% of the land, 71% of the earth is covered by the water, so it looks blue. So the earth is called a blue planet. Then why is the northern hemisphere called the land hemisphere? Northern hemisphere la land hemisphere का म्हणतात? We have seen that there are major continents lies in the northern hemisphere. See, the northern hemisphere is called the land hemisphere because the greater part of Earth's land mass, that is majority of the continents, lie in the northern hemisphere. So it is called the land of hemisphere. It means that Asia, Europe as well as North America, all these major continents comes in the northern hemisphere. Then why is the biosphere important for living organism? Biosphere का important आहे living organism साठी? The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between land, water and air. It is the zone which the life exists. As a result of interaction between land, water and air, all the living organisms are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. See, all the living organisms are linked to each other. See, all the living organisms are linked to each other and they are very important for the survival. So the biosphere is important. The next question, tick the correct answer. The mountain range that separate Europe from Asia is, see, there are 3 options and the correct option is Urals. The mountain range that separates Europe and Asia is Urals. The continent of North America linked to South America by an isthmus. Then the next question, the major constituent of atmosphere by percent, the major constituent of atmosphere by percent is, atmosphere मध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त असलेला गॅस कोणता? That is nitrogen. The domain of the earth consisting of solid rock is lithosphere. Which is the largest continent? Asia. See, then next question, fill in the blanks. The deepest point on the earth is dash in the Pacific Ocean. सगळ्यात deepest point कोणता आहे? Study we have discussed it, that is Mariana Trench. Then the ... ocean is named after a country. कुठल्या ओशनला देशाच्या नावावरून नाव ठेवलेलं आहे? That is the Indian. The Indian Ocean is named after a country. The Indian Ocean is named after a country. The then the dot 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 is a narrow contact of land, water, and air that supports life. The biosphere is a narrow contact zone, of land, water, and air. Then D, the continents of Europe and Asia together are known as Eurasia. Means Europe plus Asia is Eurasia. The highest mountain peak on the earth is Everest. See, the highest mountain peak on the earth is Everest. See students, yesterday we have discussed all these exercise questions and all these major points of this lesson. I hope you have completed it, and if you have not completed, then complete it in your SST notebook and read it carefully. See, just we have seen the major domains. There are 4 major domains. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Then major continents. There are 7 major continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. These are the 7 major continents. Then 2 continents that lie in southern hemisphere are Australia and Antarctica. It means downside. Upside is north and downside is south. So Australia and Antarctica. Name the different layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. These are the 5 major layers of the atmosphere. Then Earth looks blue because the 70% of the land mass was covered by the water. So because of its reflection, it looks blue. And then why is the northern hemisphere called land hemisphere? Because all major continents lies in the northern hemisphere, just like Asia. Asia is there, Europe is there, North America is there. All these are in the northern hemisphere, so this land is called a northern hemisphere. Then why is the biosphere important? Because why biosphere provides land, water, and air for living organism, for the living survival. So biosphere is important for the living organism. See students, in this way we have completed the exercise discussion of this lesson. You should complete it in your SST notebook, okay, and read it carefully. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.